Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're worried your iPhone might be infected with a virus, don't panic. While iPhones are generally secure thanks to Apple's strict ecosystem, malware can still sneak in through shady apps, links, or websites. Today I'm going to show you how to find and completely remove viruses from your iPhone so you can use it safely again. First, let's talk about symptoms. If your iPhone is suddenly slow, crashing, frequently overheating, or showing strange pop-ups, these could be warning signs of malware. You might also notice unusual battery drain or apps you don't remember installing. Identifying these signs early is key. Step 1 is updating iOS. Apple regularly releases security updates that patch vulnerabilities and protect your device from new threats. Simply go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it immediately. This alone can remove certain malware. Step 2 is reviewing your apps. Delete any unfamiliar or suspicious apps. Long press the app icon and tap Remove App. Only download apps from the official App Store to reduce the risk of infections. Step 3 is clearing your browsing history and website data. Go to Settings, tap Safari, then Clear History and Website Data. This removes malicious cookies and scripts that may be causing pop-ups or redirects. Step 4, if problems persist, is performing a factory reset. Back up your data to iCloud or your computer, then go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone to erase all content and settings. This wipes your device completely and removes any persistent malware. Finally, use common sense to stay protected. Avoid clicking unknown links, downloading pirated apps, or connecting to unsecured networks. Your iPhone is safe when you combine vigilance with these steps. By following these methods, you can find and delete all viruses, keeping your iPhone fast, secure, and virus-free. Have a good day.